Rubbering a rotary die is the process of applying rubber pieces to the surface of the rotary die. These pieces of rubber will eject the waste material from the die as the corrugated material passes through it. The installer will begin by using pre-cut rubber pieces that have an adhesive backing. These pieces are used to fill in the larger open areas on the die. Once these areas are filled in with the pre-cut pieces, the custom cut pieces are now placed onto the die. Each custom cut piece is placed in the corresponding areas that match the shape. Water is sprayed on the surface of the die. This acts as a catalyst for the glue that is applied to the cut rubber pieces. The glue is applied to the back side of the rubber, then the piece is set in place and pressed down to make sure the adhesive takes hold to the surface. The same steps that were done with the red rubber pieces is repeated with the small white rubber pieces. The white rubber is firmer than the red and is used to fill in the smaller areas on the die. The process of placing the custom cut pieces is repeated until all of the pieces have been glued into the proper locations on the die. After all areas are checked to assure that all pieces are placed in the correct areas on the die, rubber strips are cut and placed on the inner edges of the blades to help reinforce them while in use. These strips are stapled into place. Once all the pieces are glued into place and the strips are installed, more of the pre-cut gray rubber is added to fill in the blank areas. Once that is done, the die is complete and ready to be used on the production floor.